Hey you guys, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And in today's video, we will be trying the INKEY Peptide Moisturizer with Drunk Elephant's Protini Peptide Cream. So I have like 5 of these samples. Don't you judge me. And then, you know, I bought this one. So let me just rant just a little bit. This is not going to take too long before we get into this video. You guys do not know how far, near, wide, over the ocean, across the moon and back it took me to get this moisturizer. Not only that, the first time I bought it, my daughter destroyed it completely. No, I did not spank her because she destroyed my moisturizer. She's always in my skincare. At this point, she has her own set at this point with a jade roller. But anyways, I used it for 3 weeks before she decided she wanted to get into it because it's so easy to open. I didn't know it did this because drunken elephants don't do this. I didn't know it came off like this, and she got into it. So it was sold out everywhere. I went to Sephora, got the last one. Side note, I didn't know they read out your status at Sephora because the girl was yelling and I thought I was loud, and the girl was yelling VIP status with 600. I'm like, oh my gosh, should I be wrong? I felt embarrassed that I was only VIP, Lord. Like she yelled it out. But that is another story for another time. 1.69 ounces of Drunken Elephant's Protini Polypeptide Moisturizer will run you $68. And 1.7 ounces of the INKEY product will run you $15 plus tax. So you're going to pay $20 for it. At this point, I didn't pay $40 for it. And this one, you're going to pay $68 plus tax. So it probably run you about $70, $71. Looking at the ingredient list, the cleaner of the two is actually Drunk Elephant. With that being said, let's go ahead and swatch both products. Okay, so we're gonna do Drunk Elephant first. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Here we go. That is Drunk Elephant's Polyprotini Moisturizer. Let me get a little more of a Drunk Elephant. I got like 5, 6 of them, so it's okay if I use too much. That is the Drunk Elephant one. And let's go ahead and do the INKEY list. The INKEY list one. Then I must take it off. Oh my God. Oh Lord, let me try again. Look, oh you guys, it's a mess. Let's do the INKEY list. Wow. So that is drunk. Oh my God. Okay, y'all. Okay, so you guys pretty much know, right? To be honest with you, combining both textures, you know, INKEY, you out here looking like lotion. I mean, Aveeno. I'm just saying. But as you can see, these are the textures. Let me turn the light down so you guys can see. Okay, so Drunk Elephant, and this is INKEY. Hey you guys, so I will be putting Drunk Elephant on this side of my face and the INKEY on this side of my face. I also want to say this. I am going to use a thermal water spray first because it just works better with the INKEY. So if I'm going to do the same thing on one side, I'm going to do it on the other side, just to be fair, so y'all don't be saying I'm biased. But thermal water spray or any type of spray you decide to use, it really works better with the INKEY product because it is so thick and it got shea butter in it. So I'm just letting y'all know. So let me go ahead and spray my face. Not too much. Woo! I can hear y'all saying I'm using too much. So I'm not going to use too much of the Drunk Elephant, even though I got like 5 of them. And here we go. And then right there and right there and bam. And y'all, I got to get my neck. I got to be fair. Neck got to get done. So here we go. Lotion. I'm just joking. Here we go. And one more pump. There we go. I think that is all I needed. Let me scrape some and get my neck. Okay, you guys. So, wait, just one more pump to get right here. because I want to be as fair as possible. Ooh, I do not want to. Okay, so this is Drunk Elephant and this is INKEY List. Y'all see, I'm very fair to the bam, bam, bam neck. Okay, so let me rub my neck first. Okay, now let's go ahead and do Drunk Elephant and INKEY List. Okay, I will say this, Drunk Elephant's product is actually rubbing onto my skin much easier than the INKEY List product. I do want to let you guys know that it's way more hydrating, way more easy to smear into my skin. INKEY List, it's a little thick, a little, like literally it is thick, you guys. So here's what my skin looks like so far. So this is Drunk Elephant and this is the INKEY List. Drunk Elephant has already penetrated into my skin and I still have to rub the INKEY List in just a little bit more. Okay, you guys, I've officially rubbed both moisturizers into my skin. Here is Drunk Elephant's moisturizer and here is the INKEY List moisturizer. I am going to go ahead and let them set for about 20 minutes and then we'll be back to see the results. Okay, you guys, it's been about 20 minutes and here is Drunk Elephant's moisturizer and here is the Ordinary's moisturizer. Here is my chin, my cheek, my INKEY List cheek, and here is my forehead and my nose. Let me look in the mirror. Okay, you know what? To the naked eye, you know, it's virtually no difference, but there are a lot of minor details that we need to go over. But here is Drunk Elephant and here is the INKEY List. Let's talk about it. You know, at the end of the day, I don't even think these videos I do are really that important because anything is dupeable. We see it in makeup and now it's coming to skincare where practically anything is dupeable. So, I mean, at the end of the day, it is a dupe, but there are a little minor details that I do think is important. One being, if your skin is used to Drunk Elephant, loves Drunk Elephant, I personally don't think that you should make the switch. And the reason why I say this is because if you make the switch to the INKEY List product, your skin could have all types of reactions to it, especially if you have sensitive skin, especially if you have dry, leany skin, and especially if you have sensitive, fickle skin. Your skin could have a breakout texture. A lot can happen to your skin if you make the switch over to the INKEY List product. One being, INKEY List adds shea butter to their product. So because I did use a thermal spray, it virtually made both products seep into my skin in general. However, if you are not using a thermal spray, and you guys know because I'm a skincare enthusiast, I have all types of sprays, thermal sprays, mists all around my house. So, you know, it's nothing but for me to actually spritz my skin before I apply a moisturizer. But if that is something you don't do, once you cleanse your skin, if your skin is not damp and it is dry when using the INKEY List product, if the INKEY List product is going to sit on top of your skin versus the Drunk Elephant product, which is literally going to penetrate your skin and hydrate your skin. They actually have way more peptide complexes as opposed to the INKEY List product, which the INKEY List does tell you they do have 1% peptide complex. So if that is something that is important to you, I personally think that is something that is important for you. I think you should stick with Drunk Elephant product. However, if price is important to you and you just can't afford Drunk Elephant moisturizer, even though you had the sample, you love the sample, I think it wouldn't hurt to try the INKEY List product. However, please don't expect miracles from it. Please don't expect it to perform the same way as the Drunk Elephant product because it's just not going to. These are two different formulations and ingredient lists. It is supposed to be a dupe, but it's not going to give you that same performance. It's going to take a little longer to have the same effect as the Drunken Elephant product would. So don't expect any miracles. It It is a dupe. It's a great dupe, but it's not Drunken Elephant's product. And for people who have bought the full size of the Drunk Elephant product, and you may be wanting to go ahead and get the INKEY List product, I personally suggest that you ease your way into the INKEY List product, because it will cause you breakouts, especially if you are expecting it to act like the Drunk Elephant moisturizer. And people with oily skin specifically, and people with acne prone skin, no matter if your skin is combination, if you have any type of skin that is acne prone, blackheads, whiteheads, has shea butter in it. Shea butter, I love shea butter. Y'all know I will slather my face in coconut oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, all the butters. Bring me all the butters. For those who cannot handle a lot of butters, I would suggest you be very careful when using the INKEY List product. It is heavier because it has shea butter in it, and you may have to get you a thermal spray or something to spritz your skin, or make sure your skin is a little bit damp before applying this moisturizer, because if you don't, you may get blackheads, you may cause a flare up of acne, especially for those who've actually got their acne, their breakouts under control. This may cause a flare up because it does have shea butter in it. So I'm just letting you know. It also has sodium hydroxide in it, and it is to balance the pH. However, some people have reactions to sodium hydroxide, which is live. I felt with the INKEY List moisturizer, I had to reapply it throughout the day. It dried down really quickly, whereas in the Drunken Elephant product, I did not have to reapply it throughout the day. When I use both products at night, I use the INKEY List product one night and the Drunken Elephant product another night. I noticed that the Drunken Elephant product, when I woke up, was way more hydrated as opposed to the INKEY List product that just dried down completely. And I sleep in my room with a humidifier and the door closed. So just letting you know. And still my face was way more hydrated with the Drunk Elephant product. With that being said, it's up to you which one you decide, whether it's price, whether it's performance. I think the INKEY List product is a dupe. However, if you do decide to use the INKEY List product and it may have made your skin look a little bit shiny, make sure you use a spray, girl. Use a spray, honey. Bam, 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 bam. That spray will work wonders with the INKEY List product. It will help it not dry down so shiny. When I first used the INKEY List product, it was just looking shiny. That being said, the Drunken Elephant side looks way smoother. It gave me a wonderful glow, and the INKEY List side just dried down. That being said, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I personally like both products, but don't be expecting miracles from INKEY List to perform like Drunken Elephant. Anyways, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, guys. Mwah!